Hey everyone, well today I'm starting a very new segment on the channel. This segment is going to call You Won't Believe What Has Happened. So I am at Ace Automotive Repair in Napa, California. The owner is Mike, and I brought my Dixon Farm truck to Mike 3 months ago. 3 months ago I brought him my truck, and it's been sitting here ever since. Now, I brought him some stuff that needed to be worked on the truck, and a few minor issues with the fueling system that was supposed to take about a week. When I originally dropped it off, I said, look, the only thing I care about is that it doesn't sit here for a month. Now, after about a week and a half, I came here, it was sitting in the same exact spot. I asked him, please start working on the truck. Yeah, excuse after excuse, mechanic, excuse. Then another week goes by. I come back to look at the truck's not been touched. Now we're 2 weeks into this. Then I come back about 3 weeks later, and one of the fires hit in August. So now we dropped this off in July. Now we're in August. Now Mike gives me an excuse that his house almost burned down and blah, blah, blah. I have some sympathy for him. I tell him, look, I just want my truck fixed. No problem, it's gonna go into the bay this week. That's in August. Mind you, it's end of October right now. So we are now, so I wait. So finally he tells me he installs some stuff and the truck's still not running right, blah, blah, blah. He wants to get in the the fuel injection pump. So I tell him, let's go ahead and get it. I want to get it done right. I want it done. Can we get it done sooner than later? Yes. Needless to say, that was in September. Then he decided, he told me that he really feels like I should order another new injection pump. He thinks the injection pump was bad. So I spent another $800 to have an injection pump sent here, which took about a week and a half to get. I came in 2 weeks ago to check the injection pump was here. He told me it's going into the bay on Tuesday last week. It's Thursday this week. And he said it would be done ASAP. I said, look, I just need it done by Friday. It's been 3 months. I've had it. No problem. Now it's another week since it was supposed to have been done, and here it still sits. Now, they've done some work on it, but I went in and talked to the owner's daughter, and the owner's daughter has no sympathy for anything. She thinks that this is all standard. All the while, I've been watching AMR ambulances come in and out of here, getting serviced and everything, but for some reason, I can't seem to get my truck fixed. So I'm in a dilemma right now, but Ace Automotive definitely wouldn't recommend bringing your vehicle here at all. So try to get this squared up. Give you guys an update in the comment section down below, but stay away from Ace Automotive here in Napa, California.